We're back!
Hello!
So, apologies for no video last week, the week before, wherever I put this one up. We decided just to have a break, didn't we?
Cheers,
to be honest.
a week off,
We've
knackered.
Yeah, we've been putting up videos since around May. We've even had videos go up when we've been on holiday. We've actually been that organised. And we had nothing filmed, we were just like, you know what, we're just going to have a week off. So we did. So today, Matthew, what are we doing?
We are, people of the world, we are changing my gear stick gaiter and gear stick knob.
Yeah.
Would you like to see them? I would like you to see them.
I found this company quite a while ago. They basically specialise in leather, suede. I think that's what they do, leather and suede. They do any sort of custom. They do whole dashboards. They do gaiters. They do handbrakes. Anything that comes with leather, they can make for your car. So Matt found this one. It's actually the same as a Mark V, isn't it?
Mark V Gold, yeah.
And he's quite lucky because he's got the trim attached.
Saves you sticking, stapling, all that rubbish.
Yeah, you'll see on mine when mine goes live that mine was literally just the material. So
obviously this is suede. Suede?
Yeah, suede. It's real suede.
Compared to the old one that's leather, but it just looks.
And it's got the white stitching. So let's get cracking. Matt's going to be mainly doing this because it's his car. On mine, I'll be doing mine. So I'm going to be the camera lady.
Don't know what we're doing.
We've got the tools. Yeah, but we've watched a couple of videos. Oh, we've got to talk about the gear stick as well.
Gear stick? Gear knob?
Well, gear stick, gear knob, same thing.
Confused.
We Matt actually bought this on Wish.
Wish.
And you know what? Like. We weren't expecting great things, were we?
It come in like 2 weeks, to be fair, but...
And it come in an actual box, didn't it?
Yeah, it looks like a watch. Like, it's got quite a nice little logo on the... Oh, it's covered by a sticker.
I'm so shocked that it come in a box for starters.
But...
And it come look all nicely.
It's not focusing. But yeah, it's red. Because I was initially going to get red stitched and I changed my mind last minute, so there's a bit of a mess up there. But I think it'll look quite nice, you know, with the red, like no writing on it, just nice black. Heavy as well. Yeah,
it's got some weight to it for a Wish. I honestly thought it was going to come in like a plastic bag because all my Wish stuff has. But
this is really good quality.
I know we're probably going to get hate because we've ordered a gear stick off of Wish and people can be like, oh, you know, you're doing this, but it's not steering wheel, so chill out.
Exactly.
Like,
I ain't bought new wheels or like an exhaust or something.
No, all the coilovers that I found that were for a remote control car.
Yeah, that was funny. I found coilovers for £30. Oh! Yeah, they're for an RC car.
Yeah, I didn't read the RC bit. And then I don't know why I even thought they were real anyway, because they didn't have my car name in them. They were just universal coilovers. But anyway, let's stop rambling. Let's get to it. Okay, Matthias. Oh, so you're going to take that whole surround bit?
Yeah.
It's at the bottom. Hey, we're getting somewhere now. I've got this side, so if you want to let go of it. There we go.
Lovely jubbly.
Released. Oh, do you know what? I've got scissors for the cable tie, that's alright.
I ain't got cable tie.
Oh. So, Matt, you need to explain.
Well, give me the camera just a minute.
Alright.
So, as you can see, there's... It's not really focusing again.
Just hold down that button. Teaching Matt how to use the camera. Focus a bit better?
Sort of. There's this, like, metal clip. Oh, there you go, you can see it now. And basically you just got to like pry it open in a way, like release the tension so then you can actually pull it off. That's basically what you have to do. So
pass me back to me.
Bit of knowledge for you there. Right, I need something thin, Katie.
Okay, let's go looking at my box of goodies. Oh, it was just a screw for something. It probably should be back in my car, but it's not. Your handbrake's nicked my strap. What you going for? Do you want just a flathead?
Yeah.
Get the screwdriver and then...
Linking them up for me.
These are my tools, as you can tell. And you'll find like random screws where they probably should have gone back in my car, but they didn't.
I need something different. Try some Allen keys, maybe. Can you put that on?
Okay, hold that. These are a pain to get out. You have to sort of
yeah, but I need to pick a size. I don't know what size I want, yeah.
Right,
what size do I want?
You can tell we're really organised with this video. Where's it supposed to go? Oh, it must be, it's a BM. Who's going to take out your mirror? Where did it even come from?
Like, in front of us.
Yeah. Jeez, that's quite loud, isn't it? That can't be standard.
No, can't be.
He's trying to make competition, isn't he? Doesn't sound that great though.
Yeah.
Sounds loud, it sounds really bloody. Well, you can't really slate my tools because you bought them.
See?
You snapped my tool!
It's because they're too thin. I have to get you another one.
Look what Matt has just done to my little screwdriver. eBay tools, guys. Look. Shocking. You can't try all my tools because you just end up breaking all of them.
No, but I need to...
Was that clip a nightmare?
It was a bit annoying.
It was a bit easy. It was a bit harder than we initially thought. So Matt's got it off now. This is so fun to play with.
Stop playing with it.
So it's quite good in a way that the whole unit comes off together though.
Yeah.
And what did you actually use to get it off? A hammer?
A screwdriver.
Oh, it was a screwdriver in the end.
Yeah.
So we're still keeping the like proppers around, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're just getting rid of. So the chrome bit's still there.
Yeah, I could have done with wiping. I wanted to paint that black, didn't I?
Yeah, I wanted to paint mine. Which be a job for another day.
Yeah, I think
Or
you
wrap.
You can pull it out.
Oh, can you?
Oh, it's got clips and stuff.
Yeah, you might be able to just pull it out without taking all of it out.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, we don't need that anymore. Right, now I've got to think
So
cleverly.
out with the old. It's very sad for itself now.
Yeah, it's really limp.
And Lisa. Yeah. God, you can see how worn it is as well. Like the numbers are nearly gone. But yes, out with the old. Basically, Matt just didn't want to pull all these staples. That's why he was lazy and he bought the more expensive one. As you'll see. Nope. Hey! Do you want some scissors? Oh.
Right, I'm just going to test the actual knob.
Do a little test fits. This is when the knob doesn't actually fit any of these. A drift car.
So obviously it goes on there, then you tighten it, don't you? Oh, I need to undo the screws maybe.
Oh yeah. Matt, you might want to move that pink thing. The pink hammer.
Why?
It looks a bit funny on camera.
Oh, I don't care.
I hope mine's not this complicated, but I think because mine's an old car it won't be like, I need to get the cable tie, I've left that.
It's not complicated, it's just it's got stupid clips. And then obviously tighten.
So it's going to look like that, but with a nice surround. Can I feel it? Oh, it does feel nice, doesn't it?
Mm.
It's a bit bigger as well, isn't it, than the other one?
Hold it up. Yeah.
It's just like
It's a bit more,
shape,
it's more
isn't
round,
it?
isn't it?
This is more
That's
golf
flat on the
ball,
top.
yeah. Yeah. Sorted! Now I've got to get this other thing in. But that should be a piece of cake, really.
Mm. Piece of cake.
Yeah.
Right.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. 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 Helps us break each other's
And this is the finishing piece. With a nice suede. That'll sort of fall naturally anyway.
Yeah. Should we give it a test run? Ready?
Yeah? You actually gonna drive anywhere?
Oh, it's popped out.
Oh.
It's almost like it's too tall.
Maybe it just looks like timber, right?
Yeah, but...
Yeah. Yeah. Can't believe how far we moved. Right, my turn. My turn. Actually just basically just adjusted it, didn't we? Just took it off again, quickly slid the cable tie a bit up, released a bit more of the material because it was a bit tight, and now it's fine. And it looks better as well if Matt moves his hand. We'll put it forward. It looks a bit better now because there's not as much gap. It all goes together quite well. Happy?
Yeah, make sure it goes in. Lovely jubbly.
Perfect, that does look a lot nicer.
Oh, you've got to put everything back into boxes and shit.
Now I've got to do mine.
Yay.